Using t-tests, we want to know if there is a difference between the high school grades of students or children who watch Sesame Street and those students who did not watch Sesame Street. So let's set the null hypothesis that they have no difference. For those who watch and did not watch, they actually have almost the same grade. And the alternative hypothesis is they are really different, significantly different, for those who watch and did not watch Sesame Street. In t-tests, we normally check the null hypothesis. So our goal is to recheck or not recheck the null hypothesis. So first, click Data. So we click Data here in above, Data Analysis, and then we will select t-test with 2 samples of unequal variances. So we don't know the variance, so let's say that they have unequal variances. And then we click OK. We select the cells. So first, the watch Sesame Street and the did not watch the Sesame Street. And then we hypothesize 0 because there's no difference between them. That's our null hypothesis. We check labels because we have labels here in our table. And next is the output range. The output range is where we put our data. And of course, maybe here we'll put it, and of course the alpha. The alpha is 0.05. It could be 0.01. So let's set 0.01. And then we click OK. And we have these values. Now we compare the t-stat with the t-critical two-tailed. Since 4 is greater than the t-critical, therefore we reject the null hypothesis if it's greater than that. We can also use the p-value. If it's less than our significance value of 0.01, we compare it to our which is 0.00839. And since that is less than our significance level of significance, that is, we reject the null hypothesis. Since we reject the null hypothesis, therefore, using the level of significance of 0.01, our answer will be the alternative hypothesis.